20 seconds!
So, I'm doing the event one, mate, sorry.
Wrong wave surfing.
Those guys are on motorcycles on the ring.
It's gonna like kick us all off the stage here in a second.
I know, I'm like,
no,
trying
it
to
probably
stay
will.
close to it.
Oh, music stopped.
Oh, it's
Here we
starting.
go, boys.
Imagine they tweet out. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to delay the event a little bit.
Yeah, Travis Scott has a sore throat.
What the hell? Right side, right side.
Farting.
Yep, I see him. I see him.
It's coming on a.
Oh, it's
Is that
literally
common?
it's
No.
Astro World.
Is that a
It's
meteor?
Astro World. That's what it is.
The music, shut up. Everyone shut up. Oh, this song? Let's go.
Oh, look at the screen.
I love how you said everyone shut up and then start talking.
And then he starts talking.
Shut up.
Yo, this is fire. Imagine I lag out or something.
Shut up.
Good job making the screen.
That John Wick vibe is over.
Nice timing, Science.
Is that gonna go in the circle?
Oh my god, bro.
That thing is fucking huge.
Astro World is crazy.
Sun is down, I'm freezing cold. That's how we already know when it's here. My dog will probably do it for Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else.
Dude, the John Wick looks so sick right now.
Genuinely.
He's ready.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Oh my god, dude.
Gone on you with the big and roll.
He almost said
That's crazy.
What the fuck?
This is insane.
Bro, I'm Jesus.
On in the booth at the gate outside. When they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's Nike boys hopping our coast. Way too big when we pull up. Give me the loot.
So is the stage useless?
Guess so.
Had to hit my old town to duck the news. 2-4-hour lockdown.
It's Travis
Made no
Scott
moves.
stage.
Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with
Really
the
just
crew.
walking on
I just
water.
landed in.
Crazy guy.
This is pop like Jamba Joe's. Different color chains. Think my jeweler really selling fruits. And they choking
Oh,
man.
he's on me.
Jesus.
I'm in
Yeah,
that foot.
I saw that.
Oh my
What the
god.
heck?
What?
Oh, this is
I'm
sick.
sliding on the edge, that's amazing.
So inside.
He's that banging. He's bigger now. What the heck?
Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the boom. About to turn this function into binary. Told her hop in, you
Damn,
coming
dude, I really
too.
wish people
In the
didn't build now.
305, treat me like I'm
You seem like a little daddy.
Slot the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a goon. Who put this together? I'm the glue. Someone said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said,
My man grabbing stars.
someone said,
Going Super Saiyan.
What the fuck?
What the?
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Yo.
Holy
okay,
We're all
I've been up for
fast.
some days, I ain't got time to lay. Just to drown out all these
All cracked
thoughts,
out right
I'm
now,
trying
dude.
to things. If I take you to my past, you will be traumatized. Got 1,000 kids outside that's trying to come alive.
You can run on the water, dude.
Cash your wallet, had to relocate. Told the dogs I bring it back, it was a silver
Oh, he's the
day.
Terminator now.
Before no Cardinals, baby girl, she played the tourist guide. Got the keys into my city, now she notarized. Got new money, got new problems, got new enemies. When you make it to the top, it's the amenities. Packing out Toyota like I'm in the league. And it ain't a mosh pit, it ain't no injuries. I got 'em stage diving out the nosebleeds. Yeah, this right here is astronomical. I see you picked up on my ways, I feel responsible. They're trying to say that all my problems is
Yo, imagine we
improbable.
could ride the roller
They
coaster.
keep itching at my spit, I'm diabolical, you feel me? I get those goosebumps every time.
Okay.
That makes us so nutty.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah, when you're not around.
Speak of the roller
Throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah, 713.
What the fuck?
Why they on me? Why they on me?
Yo.
I'm flying,
Oh my
sipping
God.
low-key. I'm
feel like I'm on
sipping
LSD
low-key,
at the moment.
Onyx, flying a rider.
Your skin. Look at your
Pulling up
skin.
right beside
Yo,
you.
LSD, you be kinda looking lit, though.
When I text kick
Tell me
in
about
wireless. Throw a stack on the Bible. Never Snapchat or took me. She fall through plenty.
Why is it all
Water
in
looks
here?
so sick with the reflection.
We
Yeah.
at the top floor, right there off Duini. Yeah. Oh no, I can't f with y'all. Yeah, when I'm with my squad, I cannot do no wrong. Yeah, saucepan in the city, don't get misinformed. Yeah, they gon' pull up on you.
What the heck? Oh, look up, look up, look up. Oh, he changed
Oh
skins.
my
Directly
god.
under him.
She fill my mind up with ideas. Hope I make it out
This
of
shit
here.
is trippy.
I'm so glad that this is like collab with like Air Jordan, bro. These shoes are fire.
Yeah.
I'm doing a show, I'll be back soon. That ain't what she wanna hear.
Something's swimming. There's like a skull trooper
Yeah,
swimming
there's
around.
a skull trooper swimming.
Around my beard. Got the fastest car Zoom. Oh, we
Oh shit, I never noticed that sculpture, yeah. It's rewinding, what the fuck?
You say you love me, don't you lie?
Jellyfish looks cool. Oh, he's fading away.
She fill my mind up
Thanos?
with ideas.
How do you swim?
Hope I make it out of here.
What the
Oh my
heck?
god.
Back in high school, I used
Used
to
to
bust
jerk
into
him
the
with my
dance.
hand.
Now I hit the LBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a 13 hours till I
Dude,
landed.
they reference
Had me
songs to
out
this channel,
like
that's
a
crazy.
light,
Like a light.
Yo.
Bro.
Like a
I'm
light.
tripping right now,
Like a
dog.
light.
like a light.
Yeah, past the
I
dozen,
feel
selling,
lightheaded.
sending texts, ain't sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say.
Oh, we're on like a grid.
Yeah, it's absolute.
Did you not see that?
I'm back with
I see it now.
Now we're sliding on it.
Jamba Juice, yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute, yeah, shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes, yeah, and by the book, yeah.
What the hell?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Whoa.
This is LSD now.
Yeah, pass this to my daughter, I'ma
What
show
the
her
heck
what
is
it took.
happening?
Baby mama, couple fours, got these other. Let's go.
What the
This is insane.
Right from the house, took it straight from outside.
I love it.
Straight to the
From
couch.
everyone so far.
Wait, imagine if we're flying towards the old map.
Oh my god.
That would be
Like, this is
interesting.
how we
Imagine if we
revive
just
our game.
transition.
Wait! Look at the hills! We're going to the old map! I swear to god, we're going to the old map. Actually. Look at the freaking islands around. This looks like the old islands. I swear to god we are. It looks like it.
I swear to God.
Well, I mean, you saw the old map. Of Travis Scott,
This would be
Yeah,
cool.
it's in the helmet. It's in the helmet.
You letting the scouts outside. We running the scouts.
Dude.
Marshmallow who? This man Tractor Scott topped it.
Huh?
I just saw Wailing Woods. There was like 3 of them on the last island.
I swear we're going to the old map right now. That's what it looks like.
Dude, if we're going to the old map.
That's clickbait and a half. We are though. What is it?
Please!
I've never heard she's so excited about this, bro.
Oh shit, last
The butterfly! The butterfly!
Yes.
Dude.
What? Oh no!
You guys got teased so badly. Oh, dude.
Was
Are
that
you
it?
serious?
Was that the end of it, bro?
Yeah.
That shit was fire, dog.
That was
Bro.
good, yeah.
That was literally
Then I
the
get
biggest
instant
blue ball
But
ever.
the marshmallow event has nothing on that.
Oh hell
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
No event tops that so far. What
Yeah, this
you
is the
mean?
best event for sure.
Hey, I'm going back to
Not
second.
even close.
No,
That
I
was
for real saw
such a
Wailing
blue
Woods, like,
ball
3 times
moment,
on those little
dude.
islands, though.
Oh,
Yeah,
Well, I
really
think
was.
since it's more concerts, they can't do it right now.